gosh, a party? Sure, I'll be there. Count on me. But what am I supposed to do about this? I can help with that! Miss Merve, can you do something about this? Sure I can. First, let's clean your face. Now let's take a look at that bald spot. It looks like you will have to cut off all your hair. Let's use yarn in fun colors as hair strands. I think you should go for the rainbow look. If you want straight hair, I can comb it, but I think that you should go with curls. Curls will look so cute on you. Now let's cut your hair and change your clothes. Shoes and a cute purse. And there you go, you're ready. Thanks, Miss Merve, I really love it. I'm glad. Have fun at the party. Bye.